Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, I will show you favorite and craft ideas. So viewers, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So friends, let's start today's video. So viewers, my first eye is friends. Denim hairs always make bow handbags and for soft denim pieces, denim keychains, cut and simple keychains are great for gifts and personal use. Denim planter, water cycle with denim to create rosy flower pot and rebirth. And my next idea is friends. Denim babes, soft and travel babes are practical and denim toys creates heart, star or animals for children. Denim table mat and coaster add a stylish touch to your dining tables with handmade placement. Denim sleeper creates comfortable indoor slippers for or jeans and weavers. My next idea is frames. Denim apron. Weavers. Friends. Make strong apron with useful pockets. So viewers, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So Allah Hafiz friends, see you in the next video. Take care and Allah Hafiz viewers.